This is real talk.
Real talk.
Support needed right now. And I'm saying, I don't want the government to have nothing to do with this. This is directly to the hospitals. That's why I make my way here.
So if you're wondering why Bounty Killer said what he said, or if you think that he's over exaggerating, I'm about to change your mind. Welcome back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk. Please like, comment and subscribe. We talk about everything Jamaica and everything that need to be discussed.
Look how them other people them in here work. Almost 1 month after this, look how much roofs we fixed in a week with just 3 people. And look how they have the staff in here working. Staff are still working under these circumstances, standing water, stagnant water, piling. The rain just poured down. When they talk about disease is going to be spreading, how can they start the disease inside the hospital? There's a wickedness. We can't even film the other part inside for other people that might pile up in there were sick.
It's a remarkable act of philanthropy by the dancehall superstar in collaboration with his manager, Paul Banky, and DJ Khaled's We The Best Foundation.
Hey, yo!
The partnership resulted in donations of $2 million to each of 4 hospitals located in the affected areas of Black River, St. Elizabeth, Savlamar, Westmoreland, Montego Bay, St. James, and Falmouth.
7 years ago, I presented some beds to the KPH and the Jubilee Hospital. And that's how I accidentally end up with a foundation. Because I'm poor people governor. I thought I was a foundation myself. So I never had a registered foundation. So it was a case where I was bringing in some beds for the hospitals. And I thought, okay, them bus are going to make you carry them in. Cause free you get them in. They said, no, you have to have a registered foundation. So that's how I end up with the Bounty Foundation. Long story short. On the behalf of Bounty Foundation and DJ Khaled, We The Best Foundation, we are making a presentation of $2 million. Touching lives through healthcare is one of the best care. Because without life, we have nothing. And without health, we have no life. So this is for the Falmouth Hospital on the behalf of me and DJ Khaled. And this is my first 14. My first installment. I will be revisiting you people soon.
So after yesterday state the condition that the health staff, the doctor, the nurses have to be working under, do you wrong? Bounty Killer now to say what he said. He said he's not gonna donate the money to the government and then for the government take 3 years to fix the roof. That's basically what he's saying. He's saying he's cutting out the middleman, he's cutting out the government and go down there himself with his team and donate $2 million to each hospital. Do you wrong him now that you're looking on the screen and you see they're still using these hospitals without the roof? And as you can hear the lady said, it took them just a week to put on that little roof that you see. And it's a whole month has passed and the government, like, they don't care. The doctor and the nurses, they have to be performing their duties inside of probably a dengue infested area because she said the water is stagnant and an outbreak is imminent. You already hear cases of leptospirosis. You soon hear cases of dengue. You soon hear cases of cholera. All outbreak known to man is like the Jamaican government is waiting for it to happen. So now that you see this for yourself, I'm not wrong Bounty Killer for say what I'm say. I agree 100% with Bounty Killer. And when this thing just started, when all of the artists them start help and you will hear artists tell you that to donate to the government official site. Vibes Cartel was one of them who was telling you that donate to the government.org. Sean Paul was one of them who was telling you to donate to the government. But if you ask them now, 1 month later, they are not enthused about telling you to donate to the government. Them rather do it themselves. So by right, what was supposed to happen, the private sector, the artists, Romish, everybody that chip in and help, They were supposed to like jump to help like a day after, probably a week after max, a week after the hurricane, and then they would have hand over the baton to the government, because you know the government, they can't move as fast as the private sector, because they have to go through paperwork and bureaucracy and all of that. So we give them that. But after 4 days, 5 days pass, and the artists have to still out there. After 5 days, 6 days max pass, a week pass, and we still don't see no movements from the government, then you know that people mindset are gonna change. So now, who used to tell us to donate to the government, them now gonna tell us to donate to the government again. Them gonna tell us, say, if you want to help the people them, you go down there yourself, go help them. Because if you give the government, it probably not reach the people them till 1 month, or it probably never reach them at all. Because now you have people come out now that donate are now asking where are the Japanese bed. So people are now skeptic of donating other stuff. So for example, me in the business for donate mattress, because me have a mattress company, and me see the Chinese donate mattress, but me don't see it reach the people them. Like every day on the news, every day on social media, you don't see nobody get the mattress. You know a plan for donate the mattress to the government for give the people. You gonna get skeptic. You gonna like, why am I gonna give the government? Why am I not just pay somebody and make them drive, go down there and give the people them themselves? So that is what happened to Bounty Killer right now. Everybody was saying at the first and the second day, everybody was telling you the official site is, I don't remember the official site, but just let's say government org. The official site is Jamaica.org. Everybody are telling you to donate to the government, because them things say everything that gonna happen the right way. But now after a month you don't see the roof and a hospital, a most important thing. Like if there's supposed to be an outbreak, like what the lady say in the hospital video, the outbreak are gonna start inside of the hospital. So it's counterproductive if the outbreak start inside of the hospital. Like the hospital is supposed to help and cure. Why is not priority to clean up the hospital? And you don't even have to put on a permanent roof, but just make the hospital look presentable. Clean out the hospital, clean out the water, all of the stagnant water. Just do some work on the hospital with all of the donation, all of the aid, everything that's been issued to Jamaica. Every day you hear donation and aid. But the hospital, they don't even start with the hospital, much less people were cut off from everybody else. But people, right here is where we're gonna wrap up this video. Remember, leave in the comment section if you agree with Bounty Killer. Say, cut out the middleman, cut out the government, go down there and help yourself. Because Bounty Killer would have learned from Shaggy. Remember, Shaggy was in the charity business to help Bustamante Hospital, and the government call him out and say, where's the donation? It's like, you pocketed Shaggy. So the government was very impatient to put their hands on Shaggy money. So Bounty Killer know all of that and see the government that drag them foot, and he say him go help the hospital. And I guess him see the roof and everything, the condition of the hospital, and say him can't wait for the government. So leave in the comment section again after all of them say, after all of the evidence I'm show, say Bounty Killer have merit in a way him say. And again, we have reached the end, so please remember, like, comment and subscribe. If you're a like-minded subscriber, like you understand what I say, you agree with what I say, definitely subscribe. Hit the notification bell, set it to all, so when I drop another video you'll be notified. And definitely share this video to other like-minded friends and family. See you again in the next notification.
This is Real Talk.
Real talk.